So in this session we are going to see binary arithmetic. Mainly, first there are various arithmetics for the binary. One is addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. First we will see binary addition. Binary addition, if you want to add two binary numbers of maybe 4 bits or 8 bits or 6 bits, you have to follow certain rules. What are the rules for the binary addition? 0 plus 0. If binary bit 0, if you add with binary bit 0, then answer is 0, sum is 0. 0 with 1, 0 add with 1, sum is 1. 1 add with 0, sum is 1. 1 add with 1, sum is 0 with carry 1. So see here now 1 plus 1 plus 1. So what is that? The answer for this 1 plus 1 is 0, sum is 0, plus 1, sum is 1 with carry 1. So these are the fundamental rules for the binary addition. Now we are going to see one example so that you can understand in better way. Let's say I am going to add 1 0 1 1 with 0 0 1 1. Okay, the same way we can have normal addition. First what you have to do? 1 with 1, 1 plus 1, sum is 0, carry 1. Now 1 plus 1, 0 plus 1, 1 with carry 1. 1 plus 0 0 is 1. Next 1 plus 0 is. So you can see to cross check whether it's correct or not. As you know that what is the decimal value of it? Decimal value of it, you can represent 1 2 4 8 weightage. So for that, this is 1 2 3 8, 11 plus 3. What is 11 plus 3? 14. So if it is, now you can check it is 14 or not. 2 plus 4, 6 plus 8, 14. So you can see this is also 14. So this is the way you can cross check your answer as well. Let's say one more example over here. 1 1 0 1 plus 1 0 0 1. Okay, so see here what you need to do. 1 plus 1 0, carry 1. 1 plus 0 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 0 1. 1 plus 1 0 with carry 1. If there is no other bits to add, think of it, it's 0 0 and add with the carry. So this will be 1. Okay, now you can cross verify it is. So this is the weightage 1 2 4 8 represent in the decimal form. This is 13 and this is 9. 13 plus 9, it should be 22. So see here, 2 plus 4 6, sorry, this is 16 because here another bit is there. 16 plus 4 20, 20. So this is 16 plus 4 20, 20 plus 2 22. Okay, you can see this is also 13 plus 9 22. This is also binary. Also this is decimal converted into 22. So this is called binary addition. Now we will go to another arithmetic, binary arithmetic. Binary subtraction. Okay, so binary subtraction also follows certain rules. What are the rules? 0 minus 0 is, difference is 0. 0 minus 1 is, difference is 1 with borrow 1. 0 minus 1 is 1 with borrow 1. Next 1 minus 0 is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. Okay, so see here what we can see some example over here. 1 0 let's say example is 1 1 0 0 minus 0 0 1 1. So what is the binary represent of it? 1 2 4 8. So this is 12. This will be mine 3. So we'll see after cross verify if I am getting 9 or not. Okay, so what to do? As I discussed, 0 minus 1 is 1 with borrow 1. So you have to get borrow because it's having 0. It has to borrow from the neighbor. Now he has to ask here 1, but here is also 0. So what you need to do, wherever the 1 is available, you will ask borrow. Here the borrow will come. Let's after that 0 1 with borrow 1. Okay. Next 1 minus 1 0. Here already it's he has given it's 1. So now it becomes 0. 0 minus 0 0. 1 minus 0 1. Okay. This is the way you can see now. This is also equivalent to 9. So we can do that this way. Also you can see 1 1 0 0 0.01 or 0.10 minus 0 0 1 1.01. So here also you can do for the point same way, 0 minus 1. So it is 1 with borrow 1. So 0 minus 0. It's already given here 1. So it's 0. 0 minus 0. 0. Okay. After that 0 minus 1. 1. He has given borrow here. This is 1. 1 minus 1. 0. Next this is already he has given 1. So this is 0. 0 minus 0. 0. This is 1. 1001.01. So this is called binary subtraction. Now we'll see another arithmetic. Third one, which is actually binary multiplication. So in binary multiplications also we have to follow certain rules. So 0 with multiply with 1 is 0, 1 multiply with 0 is 0, 0 multiply with 0 is 0, 1 multiply with 1 is 1. So this is the fundamental rule. So we can use some here multiply. Let's say one example. Multiply 1011 with 11. Okay. Multiply 1011 with 11. So what you need to do here? Same way we can again you can find out what is the decimal value of it. So this is 1, 2, 4, 8. So this is 11 multiply with 3, which is nothing else 33. We should get the answer of 33. What you are doing mainly here, 11 you are multiplying with 3. 3 into 1, 3. 3 into 1, 3. 33. Like the same procedure, same way we can do with these fundamental rules. Okay, see here 1, 0, 1, 1. I am multiplying with 1, 1. Okay. So first 1 with multiply with 1, it's 1, 1, 0, 1. Next 1 multiply with this again, but you have to write by keeping one of the bit aside. So this is 1, 1, 0, 1. Next what you need to do? You have to add. This is 1, 1, 1, 0. Next carry 1, 1, 1, 0. Carry 1, 1, 1, 0. Carry 1, 1, 1, 0. So you can see, is it 33 or not? So again the same thing, take the weightage 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. 32 plus 1, which is 33. This is the way you can perform the multiplication. Now the thing is, let's say one more example I am going to take. 1011.10 multiply with 110.1. If you want to multiply this, how you can perform? Again the same procedure, 1011.10 multiply with 110.10. Nothing is written means it's 10. You can do, else you can do with 110.1. No problem. Okay. This is also after 1 means it's 0. You can remove this. Okay. So what you can do? First multiply this 10111. Remove point. Later you can put as we have done same way. 3.2 multiply with 3.2. What we are doing? 3.2 multiply 2.2. What we are doing? We are just multiplying 3.2 multiply with 2.2. 4. 6, just removing dot. At the end we are putting the dot. 4, 6. After that 4, 6, 4, 7. Okay. Next, whatever the number of bits after the decimal, after the dot, we are putting that 7.04. The same way, first you just don't consider the dots in the multiplication. At the end you can represent it. Okay. So see here, next to 0 means all will be zeros. Okay. Next, again 1, 1, 1, 0, 1. Again 1, 1, 1, 0. Now you can add. So what is that? 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, carry 1. Now 1, 1, 0, 0 plus 1, 1. Sum with carry 1. Now see here, this is little bit different. So now the what we are doing, 1 plus 1 at that time, sum is 0 with carry 1. Okay, this is my sum with carry 1. Now if it is 1 plus 1 plus 1, so this one is adding here and giving, this one is adding here and giving me answer 1 with carry 1. Now if it is special, 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, 4 ones are there. See, 1, 1, 1, 1. At that time what you need to do? First see here, this is 1 plus 1. See here, 1 plus 1, already there is a carry, 1 with carry 1. So see here, what you can do, this is 1, this one will add here, 1 plus 1, 0, with this will be 1 carry will go over here and add 1 plus 1, 0, with carry of carry. The carry will move to next of next. So see here what it will happen. It will give me answer 0 and the carry will go over here. Okay. So here it is 1, 1, 1, 0. This is 1, 1, 0. Again carry. So this is, then finally 2 dots. Okay. Now you can, if you want, you can represent with the same thing to get the values. So this is the way you can do binary multiplication. Now very simple. Last one is binary division. So there is no proper rule for the binary division. Mainly we are going to divide here, divide 1 0 0 1 1 1 0 by 1 0 0. So what we are doing actually, so here we have to see there is no certain rule, as we are using the same rule for division. So see here, let's say I am going to divide 32 divided by 4. What we are doing? We are just doing 32 divided by 4 and we are seeing how much values of 32 will be carry. 8. This is 32. Then we are subtracting 0. Up to when it will come 0, we are just using the same procedure. Okay. So the same way we can do over here as well. 1 0 0 1 1 0. So what we are doing, see here, 1 0 0 1 1 1 0 divide with 1 0 0. So see here what we can do actually. So first we have to check one, we have to take one value, whether we can divide it with 1 with, so if you take 1, this is binary decimal 1 which is less than 1 0 0, 1 0 0, this is 1 less than 4, we cannot perform the division. So now take another value 1 0. So if it is binary 1 0 is nothing else 2, which is also less than 4. If it is equal to or greater than 4, then only we can perform the division. Okay. So next, as you know that this is 32 divided by 4. Since it's 32 is greater than 4, that's why we perform the division. Now you see, next bit he will take 1 0 0. Now this is 4 which is equal to 4. Now it can perform the division. So this is 1 0 0 1 1 0 0. Now what will happen? It will subtract. Subtract means 0 0 0. Okay? Then 1 will, this is 0 0 0. Then 1 will get dropped. Okay? So now it will again check 0 0 0 1. As you know that all 0, so there is no meaning if it is left side. So it is 1. Now again it will check 1 is less than 1 0 0, means 1 is less than 4. So it cannot perform. So it will again ask to drop down. If it is again asked to drop down 1, then you have to put a 0 over here. Okay? Then again it will check 1 1 is actually 3, which is again less than 4. So what you need to do? Again it will ask a drop down of 1. If you drop down, again it will put 0. Okay? Now 1 1 1, which is 7. 7 is now greater than 4. It can perform the division. So 1 0 0 perform the division. 7 4. So ultimately 1. So this will again 1 0 0. So again perform the subtraction. So this will be 1 minus 0 1, 1 minus 0 1, 1 minus 1 0. Then what you need to do? You have to drop down 1 0. Okay? Then this is 6 with 4. It is greater. So you can perform the division. So this is 1 0 0. So this is 0 minus 0 0, 1 minus 0 1. So this is 1 0. 1 0 means 2, which is less than 4. You cannot perform the subtraction. What you need to do? You don't have any value to drop down, but there is still binary values are there to perform the division. What you need to do? You have to put a dot and take any number of zeros. Okay? So this will be again 1 1 0 0. So 0 0 0. So final answer is if you divide 1 0, the answer is 1 0 0 1 1 dot 1 binary. Okay? Thank you.